Okay, espérenme. Oh, look at that. We just buried it more trying to get it out. Okay, oh, so they're helping you? They were. Hey guys, Rhino here, and welcome back. So I just got a call right now, and we're heading back to the wash. There's another Chevy two-wheel drive that got stuck in sand. So again, it shouldn't be that hard. We're gonna hook it up, take it all the way out to the street, and should be a done deal. Hopefully everything will go smooth, and we'll be out of there in no time. So please stay tuned, and I'll keep recording once I get there. Alright, we're going into the wash right now. I'm taking the Miguel Bustamantes and Riverside Avenue entrance. Let's go check it out. So we're here. We're gonna be recovering a Silverado, two-wheel drive Silverado that got stuck. There might be somebody there already trying to help, but some other people already tried and hold on, and they were heading somewhere else, so they didn't want to waste time trying to help this guy. So he called me, and he said that there's another person that might be able to help him, but to come anyway, just in case. So we're heading that way right now. We're gonna go into the wash right now. Hold on. Whoa, what's that? I don't know. Let's go. Bueno, sí, anda. Ok, ahí se ve varias gente, no estoy seguro qué están haciendo. Me imagino que están tratando de ayudar. Ahí está. Está atorada. So there were other vehicles around, and they were blasting music. And due to the copyright, I had to mute this section of the video. Pinche polvadero, machín. Let me know when there's tension. Oh, there. And just like that, we're exiting the wash now, and hold on, two-wheel drive. There he goes. All right, brother. Take care. Thanks, Rhino. Thank you. All right, man. Bye.